Today finds us out at Copper Creek, a wonderful gated community at the far southeast end of Modesto. This two-story, 2,100 plus square feet on the water is a jewel. Come in and get a look at it. Open floor plan, high ceilings, and water views from almost every window. You are going to love this place. Kitchen, family room combination, updated, newer appliances, plenty of room to entertain or even cozy up on those cooler winter soon to come evenings. Dramatic for sure, but also really practical. 2 bedrooms on one end with a Jack and Jill bath and a private master on the far end by the water. Come and get a look at it as soon as you can. So now you've seen it. So give me a call, Lorraine Cardoza with the Cardoza Group at PMZ Real Estate, 209-605-6317. I can't wait to show you this gorgeous home.